welcome in today's amazing video, and today we're going to look at capitalization rules. Capitalization rules. Amateeka getugoberera nga tuwandika ennyukuta mu bunene bwazo oba mu butono bwazo. So capital letters, these are letters in upper case. Capital letters are letters in upper case. For example, capital A is written like small a. You understand? Okay, so let's see, when do we use capital letters in English language? Tukozesa ddi ennukuta ennene mu lulimi oluzungu. Remember, here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Okay, so let's get started. Number one, the rule we follow: use a capital letter at the first word of a sentence. Once again, we use a capital letter when we are writing the first word at every sentence. Kyentegeeza ki mu kino? Ntegeeza ki mu kino? Nti oba owandiika emboozi, ennyukuta esooka ku mboozi eyo gy'oba owandiika erina okuba nnyukuta nene. The first letter at every sentence should be in capital.